Well, it is all over at Loftus Stadium. Maze kamphela ndaba akuye elibuyayo because I remember last time Sundowns got defeated in that stadium. It was 2024, the last game against Cape Town City of the league. That's the last time that they lost. 2024, 23, I can't remember very well, but that was the last time. And they come today, they just won against Esperance, beating Esperance away, beating them at home, and they advance to the final of the CAF Champions League. Kelamika Mosboniso, Sizo wakamnikazi Sibongo. Please do subscribe channel nabangazi ukuthi we are here and this is Tropasa. Ngami ngedwa ke ngiphethe isilomo samasandawana. Yolanda, how's it?
Sanibona ngiyanibingelela njani?
Bajabula abantu bathi we hardly see you uvela nje in glimpses bakugcina Moses Mabhida.
Yeah, inkinga here and there but sengikhona. Ilokho nje engakusho ukuthi sengikhona nami ngizoveza owami umbono mhlawumbe.
You don't sound like someone who's going to the final. Why are you so down? Hayi bengathi ushawe yiLupopo.
Ngimenyile ukuthi na last time siphuma kuma final so I'm just praying njengoba usipho eshilo ukuthi hey we all pray for ukuthi nakhona beperforme kahle abafana but ismile it can tell it all ukuthi ngihappy ngokuthi sidlulile sikwazi ukuya kuma final but na last time sikwazi ukuya kuma final sathola draw ekhaya sasa kwenzeke enye into bese singayilindele away so I just pray ukuthi ucoach Cardoso simthembe ngalendlela asenzele ngayo ngoba ayi usasitshengisa yena ukuthi ucoach nale certificate asiphethe akasicoshanga nje was obtain ngendlela okuyiyona
akuthole eseplumbing
hayi
were you not saying ukuthi uplumber ngoNovember
at first yeah ngabona kanjalo futhi nganginengcembe by that time but njengamanje ibhola adlala ucoach uyatshengisa ukuthi he is willing ukuthi asithathele wona lama cup because this ama cup asele kona njengamanje I league ne Champions League wona ama cup engcatha khona na ku contract yakhe ucoach ngaphandle kwawo umsebenzi wakhe naye usencipheni but uyatshengisa ukuthi he is willing ukuthi aserve team ngendlela right.
Let us go to today's game. Ubone kanjani wena umdlalo namhlanje the starting lineup we saw due to your red card there Grant Kekani was not there but we also saw Undamane coming in and bringing in solid performance. We saw another surprise namhlanje Saleng kade sisisho sekwenze njani manje wey Saleng he came in he had a good game naye a beautiful goal from Leon the last time he scores now a goal machine so all round the whole game when uyibone kanjani
restructure I-team kuyinto enzima cause sizoxeka ucoach sizoxeka iMamelodi Sundowns yenza ama signings ambalwa but ngingasho ukuthi umuntu oscout uNdamane uyalazi ibhola and uyazi ukuthi kufunakala nema defending ukuba khona kwaNdamane ukuba khona kwa who's this colored guy Cupido kuba khona ka Cupido then ke sibe nama fullback ulunga wethu bese kuba uModawu ucoach uyatshengisa lokho ya uKekano I guess bemfakele experience then uNdamane bemfakele experience but uNdamane umsebenzi yakho uyawazi uyawushaya futhi ngisibone sesihle kakhulu starting lineup sika coach and basevile futhi benza ngendlela eright nalapha nesweni ngibonile ukuthi udlala ngendlela kuyona yona uMatthews okwazi ukuthi coach uma befuna iwin uzofaka uMatthews that is all I can say
ayiphinda
ucoach Cardoso if efuna iwin uMatthews uphakathi kuleso scheme cause
yezwa mphela mphela yezwa
even
nawo wonke umuntu ehleze ekhaya eMatthews this abakwazi usho uMatthews bathi uMatthews
uMatthews simgxeke kakhulu but he is a creator kweMamelodi Sundowns ngaphandle kwakhe asiba nama chances amancane it's just that I finishing yakhe mina ngeke ngifanise kakhulu uModawu if I finishing ya Matthews nokhulisa uModawu ingaba kwi level ka Leon mhlambe or ka Renas ngabe banamagoli amaningi canthi ngabe mhlambe sebesondela la ko Thembazwane namo obuPeter Shalulile but nje bashoda ngefinishing abafana but nje I'm happy.
Well, with the finishing ngaModawu ngabe ibafana mhlambe yama champions eAfcon remember ngabe iMamelodi Sundowns nesinye istar lapha yana kuMatthews
Definitely even na kwi Club World Cup Matthews wayengakwazi ukuyisilda igame against iBorussia Dortmund wayengakwazi yena just that nje ejimini ncansi ikhona bekulungise nje ama lokhuzana ama scoring opportunities abo because they create lot of chances. Matthews positioning yakhe in off the ball is perfect, ama runs akhe off the ball is perfect. Ulo mdlali lo ukuthi even ngisho ngabe akekho kwi best performance but ama defender ngeke azaphumule mangabe khona.
Thank you for rescuing me because I always felt like kulendlu le ngathi ngiyahlanya because I'm always praising Matthews. Kodwa bafethu they don't see eye to eye with me as far as that is concerned. But we go to halftime, we are leading. Beautiful goal, a penalty that was blocked by a goalkeeper, but Leon Adela. So come in second half, what is your mindset now as a coach? Because you are leading, and do you still want to score more goals or you want to defend this one goal? What's happening, man?
Ngasho ukuthi coach nakhona lapho utshengise ukuthi kufana negame ya last lesiphuma kuyona yama semi quarter finals wayenomsebenzi owodwa siya away ukuthi you defend so washayelela amagoli awu3 owashaya home owakho umsebenzi ukudefend and wangena wenza leyo nto sasinga expected lento ade ngisho ukuthi bungabe ubuke isquad esika Cardoso bungabe funa iwin kuzoba khona Matthews but kule game wa overload midfielder uMatthews wayekade engekho kuleyo game ngobani wayefuna ubeka iball phansi akhiphe position until isikhathi siziwe namhlanje ubafakile ngoba befuna sidlala u1-0 away. Yes, khona singasho ukuthi sina 2 goal but it's not guaranteed because if they can score more than 1 goal then senkingeni sena namhlanje but ucoach ukwazile ukucontrola lokho Leon what's his name, he is a striker we've been looking for. Uyawazi umsebenzi wakhe lo muntu angazi ngathini but nje uyile striker lesi esisidingayo. He rescue us so many times kule CAF Champions League and ngiyacabanga ukuthi iSundowns uyilethele okuhle yasimthembe.
Elakho lokugcina about what is happening or maybe happening in South Africa since sisa away, are you not worried ukuthi kwenzakalani?
Definitely I'm not worried because iSundowns engiyazi abayilahli focus like any team engize ngisho when it comes to league because sebeyazi ukuthi each and every game Mhlompo Kekana said this, each and every game it's a final game kwi league right now. They snooze 2 times Orlando Pirates dropping 2 points.
Oh yona team atingafuna ngisho?
No, akuyona itho that but they drop ama points like angazi ukuthi if focal point yabo it's in right now. I won't ngeke ngize ngikhulume ngabo kakhulu because angiyazi focal point yabo ikephi but thina njengamanje we still have average ye game in hand ne average yokuthi if we can win this game in hand sizoba vulela igebe lika singavula igebe elingasonisa league if I can say mesingaqhubeka kanjalo.
Well, ayihlangane Loftus uma sesizobona ifinal.
Definitely.
Ngala nobani as far Pekan who do you want?
I can say everyone who is ready to face us, anyone who is ready. I guess I guess uKadoso ready for winombani ozohlangana kuthina ama final. Wathi coach Kadoso it's one step at a time and you are respect each and every game. Njengamanje usiyatshengisa ukuthi ngempela nathi siyampusha ezabalandeli, I'm pushing for ama win. Ayihlangane khona. Just pray and hope this final can put a second star here. Ngemva kwalokho happy.
Ngiyophinda uphikisana nomunye umuntu ngebhola. Kodwa osho nje ngiyengiphinda ngiphikisana nomunye umuntu eSouth Africa mengathola istar sesibili.
Phela kunjalo nje basho njalo phela vele meseshe kanjalo ukuthi ibhola ngeke uze uconfirm ingakho kuthiwa laginqika ngeke uze uconfirm but nje thina we have to pray and stick to amagazi ethu nokuthemba imanagement no coach nama players ethu.
Well, that's just about it. This is True Pass. If this is your first time here, please do subscribe, share utshela nabangazi ukuthi sikuphathele okungaphathwa abaningi. From mina mfana kamningathi uKhaphela uGcotha ujama namaqoqo koma lehlangene ngithi sign out.
Bye bye.